Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to farm the Nibiru engagement airdrop. For this engagement, you'll be requiring your Capital Wallet and the Mises browser. Also, please note that this engagement will be ending in less than 3 days from now, so ensure to act fast. Alright, so let's get started. First off, what you need to do is to download your Capital Wallet. If you do not have one, ensure to download from the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Then set up your wallet, store your seed phrase in a safe place. Next, you need to be downloading your Mises browser, so you can get this from your Play Store or App Store as well. And then ensure to add the Capital Wallet extension. All of this will be explained in another video. Okay, so once you've done all of this, head up to tap on this link. So you copy this link and head over to your Mises browser. Alright, so you paste this link in the section URL browser section, and then the interface comes up. So once this interface is up, first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. So you tap on connect wallet at the top right. So this interface is on desktop mode. As you can see, this desktop site is active, so that's what we'll be using for the mobile. Then we tap on connect wallet, and then we tap on Kepler. Alright, so the Kepler wallet is connected now. You can see the address is now being linked to the site. So next you need to do is to connect our Twitter. So you tap on connect Twitter. Okay, so wait for this to build up. Alright, so once you tap on connect Twitter, you'll be required to input your username and your password. So once you input this, then you authorize the app, and then you'll be connected to your Twitter. Then next you need to link your wallet. So it says wallet links to X, so we need to check all 3 boxes before we can proceed. So at the top right again, we have link wallet. You tap on link wallet. Make sure you want to link your wallet. This is the wallet that will accrue Nibi points. If another wallet already linked, linking to this new one, we detach the old link. So you tap on confirm. Great, wallet linked. Alright, so once your wallet is linked, then you can see that you'll be presented with the airdrop campaign progress. You're signed in with your Twitter account, and then the estimated Nibi point balance is 0 because we're just about starting. And understand that the Nibi points will be updated after this time elapsed. Also, so these are the tasks you'll be required to do. Alright, so we need to tap on these individual tasks to then accrue points. So the total points here will be 20,000 points. Also, let's quickly go through the frequently asked questions. So it says, what is the Nibiru chain Gamified engagement airdrop? You can read this in your own time. You can read what the official airdrop campaign links are. We're at number 1. Once you're done with number 1, we'll be going to number 2. So are there any special terms or conditions for participation? Read this in your own time. Remember, it says you need to have a Twitter account that must be at least 50 plus followers by the end of the campaign before the data snapshots. Botting and malicious activities, disable attacks will lead to disqualification and loss of Nibi points at Nibiru's discretion. KYC will be mandatory for all participants. So you need to ensure that the Twitter account will be linking to this Nibi wallet has above 50 followers. It shouldn't be less than 50 followers. So in your time, in spare time, you can read all of these frequently asked questions. What are Nibi points? Okay, how do I participate to earn points? Connect your Twitter, we've done that. Connect Nibiru compatible wallet, which is Kepler, we've done that. So we've done majority of all of this here. So you just need to engage in the tags. So it says I have completed a tag, so why are my points updated? So it says points won't be reflected in the dashboard immediately and may take up to a few hours to be reflected in the user interface. So do you need a Web3 wallet? So yes, you will need a Web3 wallet like Leap wallet or Kepler wallet or any of the compatible wallets. So it says, when is the public launch of Nibiru chain? It says Q1 2024, around the end of February or early March. So that's why I said you need to act now, because this points accumulation will be ending in less than 3 days from now. Once we start it here on this video, we will see a section where it says you need to have finished up by a particular date, and that is in less than 3 days from now, guys. So you need to act fast. So it says, when can rewards be claimed? So reward claims will be available at a later date after public launch. So it's to be determined, and it will be announced after the public launch when you can claim your rewards. All right, guys, so let's get ahead with the tax. So says these are the available tags. So earn 2,000 points. You tap on this, and then let's see where it takes us to. Alright, so it's bringing up our Twitter account. Alright, so it's saying we need to repost this to earn points. So let's tap on repost. Yes, it automatically reposts, and then let's head back to where we have our points. So you can see the points starts reducing. We had 20,000 points before, now we have 18,000 points because we've done one tax. So that is 2,000 minus the 20,000 points. So that's 20,000 minus 2,000 points. As you can see here, this has been done. We've retweeted the tweets, and it's the tax verification is pending, which may take up to 24 to 48 hours. That's why it's advisable you get on this campaign now, because the campaign will be ending in less than 3 days from now. So once this video is up, ensure to actively engage on this as soon as possible. Alright, so you need to then do all of this tax. This is required to like, so you like, then we head back. We should have 16,000. Do the next one. You're required to repost this. You tap on repost. You head back. It's 14,000. Tap on the next one. You're required to like this. Tap on like to like, and then head back. Tap on the next one. Ensure not to engage in this tax so fast, like while trying to accrue the points. Ensure not to be too fast, so Twitter doesn't detect your account as a bot. So just take it slowly, because if Twitter detects your account is being botted, it will block your account. Alright, so let's see what the next one is. We're supposed to repost this. It's been reposted, so we head back. So 10,000, we have 5 more to go. So if you like this, then we head back. We should have 4 more to go. Okay, so we'll post this. We head back. We have 3 more to go. Like this, head back. Then we have 2 more to go. So we will post this, and we head back. Then we have 1 more to go. Tap on this. Then we like this, and then we head back. Alright, great. So all tasks completed. Alright, so the tax have been completed, and we would need to wait for the tax verification to be done, and this will take some time. So once all of that is done, then we'll also be required to tap on this green tax. Green points will be added at the end of the campaign. So you tap on end points. Alright, so see 3 days left. Okay, so here you can see the airdrop qualification timeline is between the 7th February 2024 to 28th February 2024. Alright, so ensure to participate in this before the end date. And here you require to follow the Nibiru chain on Twitter to earn all of these points. Join the Nibiru chain Discord. So do all of this. Ensure to participate in this green tax. You just have to scroll all the way down and then to earn all of these points. So once you're done with all of that, then you need to wait a while for all the tax to be verified. You can always keep checking on your page to know if there are more tasks that need to be done so that you earn more points. Alright guys, so that will be all for now. Ensure to do this before the 3 days elapse. Ensure to do it before the end time, because if you don't do this before the deadline date, then you would have missed out on this opportunity. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section. Rest assured that a team member will be able to attend to you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.